Balance is the ultimate goal of any dedicated practice. Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing, is a sophisticated technique designed to clear the energetic pathways of the body. By systematically alternating the breath between left nostril and right nostril, we harmonize the logical and intuitive hemispheres of the brain. This creates a state of equanimous awareness, leaving you feeling neither too energized nor too relaxed, but perfectly centered and clear. With that said, I'll see you on the mat and let's get breathing again. In this video, we'll explore the alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Powerful technique uses both the left and the right nostrils for both inhalation and exhalation. To put it simply, here's the technique. So we use one nostril for exhalation and inhalation. We switch to the other nostril for exhalation and inhalation. So at a time, we are using one nostril for both the exhalation and inhalation. This switching and using of both nostrils creates that sense of balance. Balance between the warm side, the sun side, the Surya, and the cool side or the Chandra. It helps you bring that sense of groundedness and bringing that emotional awareness as you progress through your day. So here's the technique. So we'll use the palm of the right hand, use the index finger and the tall finger between your eyebrows. We'll use the ring finger and the thumb to close off one nostril at a time. So remember, exhale through one nostril, inhale through the same, close it off and switch. I'll give you more clues as we continue along. So sit up tall, eyes closed. Open both nostrils. Take a normal breath in and breathe it out. One more deep breath in and breathe it out. Take another deep breath in. Close off the left nostril and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right nostril. Close off the right, open the left, exhale. Inhale through the left nostril. Close off the left, open the right, exhale. Inhale through the right. Close off the right, open the left, exhale. Inhale through the left. Close off the left, open the right, exhale. Inhale through the right. Close off the right, open the left, exhale. Inhale through the left. Close off the left, open the right, exhale. Inhale through the right. And continue on your own. Complete the round you're on by exhaling through the right nostril and return to normal breathing. Lower your right hand, open your eyes. I hope this short sequence was beneficial to you, helps you restore a sense of calm and equanimity in your day. I hope you feel refreshed in your emotions, in your body, and feel energized to whatever is awaiting in your day today. Take a moment to leave a comment, like this video, and also, most importantly, subscribe to my channel so that we can bring more such informative videos to you. Thank you so much, and namaste.